Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app. Of course, if you will open it for the very first time, agree and give all the permissions if you want, of course. Alright, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video one, so let's tap on it. And as you can see right now, this option is marked, so we can take a look at this option bar at the very top. Sorry, and on the right position, on the second position from the right, we've got the video resolution, so let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got three different options from which we can choose. So right now we've got 1080p option applied, but we've got also 720p and 4K. So all you have to do in order to change the resolution is to simply tap on the option like to use. So let me pick 4K. As you can see here, we've got the info. What's more, the icon changed slightly, which means that your device immediately applied this option and it will record videos in chosen resolution. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your OPPO Find X5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.